In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Cash Flow Planner in QuickBooks Online. The Cash Flow Planner is designed to help you see what your future cash position might look like, so you can make smarter decisions about when to spend, when to save, and when to follow up on payments. We'll walk through how to access it, how to customize it for your business, and how to model different what-if scenarios without changing your real accounting data. First, let's get into the planner itself. From your QuickBooks Online home screen, go to the Dashboard section and look for the option called Planner. If this is your first time using it, you'll be guided through a short setup. You may see buttons like Start Planning and then Let's Go. Go ahead and follow those prompts. Once you're in, look for the gear icon or a Customize option. This is where you set your preferences so the planner reflects your actual business activity. One of the most important steps here is connecting your bank and credit card accounts. This gives the planner historical data to work with, which makes the projections much more accurate. You can also choose which specific accounts you want to include, so if you only want to track certain checking or savings accounts, you can limit it to those. While you're customizing, set a threshold amount. Think of this as your minimum cash buffer, the amount you never want your balance to dip below. The planner will show this threshold as a line on the chart, making it easy to see when your projected cash balance might approach or drop under that level. Once setup is complete, the planner automatically creates a forecast based on your QuickBooks data. It looks at things like upcoming invoices, bills, and other scheduled transactions. On the main view, you'll see your projected cash balance over time, along with summaries of money coming in and money going out. You can click into the projected items to review them in more detail. If something doesn't look right, you can edit or remove it directly in the planner. The key thing to understand is that these changes only affect the projections. They do not change your actual invoices, bills, or account balances in QuickBooks. This makes the planner a safe sandbox where you can explore different outcomes. You can also add new items to model scenarios. Look for an option labeled Add Item. When you select that, you'll choose whether it's money in for income or money out for an expense. Then enter a clear description, the amount, and the date you expect it to occur. If this is something that will repeat, such as rent or a monthly subscription, turn on the repeating option and choose how often it occurs. When you select Save, the planner immediately refreshes the cash flow chart to reflect that new information, giving you an updated picture of your future cash position.